there! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally tackling a project I have been planning for 4 years. It is finally time to beautify those to create my dream index drawers. So let's get started. Before I start working on those units, I have to empty the drawers because they are filled with art supplies. I've been using those drawers for a very long time. I would like to empty each drawer to a small box so I have it still organized, but sadly I don't have any small boxes to use, so I decided that I will dump everything to this giant box. So much stuff. Now that we are done emptying the drawers and created the Tower of Chaos, I'm going to give my units a quick sand and then stain them. Let's start with my least favorite activity. I just found out that I am sanding the wrong side. I want this side to be the face of the drawer and I'm sanding this face. I'm finally done. This was tedious. My hands hurt and my clothes are super dirty, but at least I'm one step closer. So let's give this a quick pop to clean them from sawdust, and then we'll start staining, which is the most exciting part. Hopefully the color will come like I imagine it. We'll see. Sanding the units and cleaning them was really exhausting, so I need a little break before I start staining the drawers over and over and over again. So I'm gonna eat my lunch and see you after. Does everyone know what's the right thing to do but not doing it? Because I do. I know that I'm not supposed to use kitchen roll, but that's the only thing I have. I suddenly don't have any old t-shirts or anything that I don't want, which is strange because I always have something to throw. I really wanted to use a walnut stain on those boxes, but I could not find the right color. I bought my stain from an art supply store and the selection of color was very limited. Oh my god, this is dark. This is a bit scary. The color is very dark. A pro tip from a professional who never did this before or even watch a YouTube video, unless you want to look like you were gardening in the dark, wear gloves. I'm going to brush the stain on the wood and then I will take the axis with this. Yes, it worked. It worked. It worked. Well, let's get started. Yesterday my camera died and I continue staining until 6 in the evening, and then I couldn't do it any longer because it was cold. So today we're gonna just continue with the process and hopefully I will finish today. So finger crossed I will manage to finish everything before I go. I'm finally done. It's all stained up and ready. Need to dry for a few days. I'm going to attend a wedding in another city, and when I come back I will finish this project. I'm in love with the color. See you in a few days. The trip was fantastic, but now it's time to finish what we started. Next up, we are attaching handles and doing the final touches. I don't believe I waited 4 years to do this. To attach the handles, I got this tool, so I have them like in the right spot, but sadly, the size of the handle is a bit odd, so they did not fit anywhere. But I discovered that I don't need this. I made my own template by tracing the drawer on a piece of paper and then cutting it with a scissor, and then mark where I want my screws to go. And here it is. I considered wood glue, but I'm not sure which layout I want. So I will wait with that. Even if this project was a lot of work, the only difficulties I faced is some white patches on some of the drawers. The stain wouldn't stick. I tried to give it a light sand and tried to stain it again, but it didn't work. If you have any advice about that, please write it in the comment. I don't know how to fix this situation. It doesn't bother me much. I like that it's not perfect, and eventually it will be covered with some ink stains or paint stains, so I'm not looking for perfection here. But if you have an advice how to fix this, please write it in the comment. I will appreciate it. If not for this project, maybe for future projects. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!